Hi everyone, it's Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and I've got a special treat to show you today. You know, the sun is just rising over the red Navajo sandstone cliffs at Snow Canyon State Park. Now this state park is just 11 miles north of St. George, Utah. And let me tell you, the colorful canyon will leave you speechless with all the beauty that surrounds you. Now this park offers 18 miles of amazing hiking and biking trails. There truly is something for the whole family. Now this campground is open year-round, which is fabulous. The winters are very mild here, which makes for great camping and exploring, even in the colder months. The summers do get hot here though, so be prepared. Now there are 33 campsites. 14 sites have water and electrical hookups. The other 17, although they don't have hookups, are much more private, and they're nestled right next to the red cliffs. There are showers and there's 2 group sites. You guys, I just can't tell you how amazing this place is.
So you can see our campground is right over my shoulder, and it's tucked away. It's kind of a little hidden gem. Wow, it's incredible. So here we are on the last full day of the trip. As you can see behind me, unbelievable scenery. Just absolutely gorgeous. Wonderful.